Okay, finally. Okay, I will repeat again because now it's recording. Okay. Okay. So I deleted it. I deleted it. I will repeat again. The point I can choose the point at position 100 coordinate 118. 80 and then draw the line with 24. Enter. And then line 24. Enter. And then we use the array. We use this command. Press enter and change the settings of the array. The columns, we change it into 5 and the rows into 1. And the total distance is 24. Enter. Okay, so now you can see we have get this 1, 2, 3, 4, these 5 lines, and so how can we get the other part, the other parts? I think the most the 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 most easy the easiest one is rotate. Okay, now you can find rotate and choose the objects and press enter. Choose the center point and then rotate. You can see I can rotate. I can rotate, and now you can see copy. Copy. If we choose this command, we can have the original one on. If we don't choose the copy, we will delete the original one. Okay, now you can see this and draw line. And how about next? The next route. Okay, also we choose copy. And with the same way, and we can get the final part. Okay, so now you get this part, this part, this part, this part. And then we get the half arc, the half circle, the arc. So let me see the circle. So we have many different ways to get this circle. I think you can find this small one. This small one is with the radius of 6. Okay, so now you can use the command chain, and the chain, and we keep the part that we want. Okay, so and then we can use this command offset to get more circle. You can see the specify offset distance is 6, and this one. Okay, and this one. Okay, and this one. Okay. Now we get the upper part of this shape. And so how to do next? We will can we repeat this operation? Of course, we can repeat this operation, but I think there are more quickly way. So, do you remember the polar array? The polar array, if I use polar array, I can get the other parts quickly. Specify a center point. This is the center point. So now I will change the settings of polar area, the atoms, I change it into four. Four. Now you can see that is what we want to get. Really, it's very nice, very nice. And now I can delete the center point. It's not useful. I think the difference between the given shape and we have drawn is the shape is the type of the line shape the line style. So how can we change? You can see it is a whole part is a part is a united together. They are united together. So how can we do that? So I choose all of the shape and use this. I hope that you still remember this command. Explore. I clicked explore. Now you can see they are separate into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so you can it has been separated into many different parts. For example, I choose this one. No, I choose this one, this one, and this one, and this one. I change it into dashed, and then change the properties. The line type scale is 5. Enter. Now you can see it is similar. It is similar. You can see here is the match properties. Match properties. You can choose this object and click match properties, and then click the object that you want to change it into the same shape. Into the same shape. Okay. Also, there is something different. For example, the width of the line weight. I choose this part and change it into 0 0.5, 0.5, and now it doesn't change because I didn't open the show or hid line weight. So I open it. I set it on, and you can see this line is with the weight. Is with the weight. So now I change it. Okay, this one. So many other parts. Okay, finished. You can see they are almost the same. They are almost the same. Right? I think it's a good job. Also, you can change it. You can change it into into a thick one, thick line. Okay, so let's continue. Let's continue this one. Let's continue on this one. So how to draw this shape? It's combined with this shape combined with rectangle rectangle and many lines and a polyline and a polyline. Paracurve. This one I think is a paracurve. Okay, so now let me choose a right position. Let me choose a position with point. I think is this point. I will choose. This point. Okay, 400, 240. And next one is 125. Okay, this point. And now, because yes, you are doing right. Please change this line into dash line. Okay, so with this one, let's go on. I will change it into the relative coordinates. Okay. So because I know this distance and this distance, I don't know this position. I don't know this position. So now I change that it is 120.60. Okay, so now I have to move it. Okay, now I can delete this point, and you can see this shape. This shape is this edge and this edge are divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 6 part. The distance is equal. The distance are equal, and this one is also divided into 12 parts, and the distance are the same. So now I explore this rectangle into four edges, and so please recall what we have learned about divide and measure. So now I divide this part into 12. Enter, and then divide it into 6. And as for this one, I also divided it into 6 one. Okay, the point is so big, so it will be have impact on my drawing. So now we can use the regeneration region. Okay, so it will be small. So and then we are going to draw the line. The center line. Okay, at first we draw the center line, and then I change it into the other shape, the center dash line. Log the center. Okay. The center. Now it become a center line, and I change the properties. Change properties into 5. Enter. It's become better. And then the other lines, let me try from the lower left corner to the center corner, to the center point. Enter. And then repeat the operation. Repeat the command. Okay, and then we are going to draw the vertical line. We are going to draw the vertical line. So if we want to get the vertical line or horizontal line, you can use this command, restrict. Now you can draw a line that vertical, that is vertical to the others. Okay, now let's chain. Let's use the chain to delete the rest part. To delete part that we don't want. Okay. Okay, now you can see I have finished the left part of this shape. And so how can we do next? Can you give me some suggestion? The next command.
Symmetry?
Imagine. I think
It's mirror command.
yes,
Mirror?
yes,
Mirror command.
mirror. This one.
Yeah, like
Yes, yes, very nice. So let's use the mirror, the mirror command, mirror command. Uh, I I have select this part. I have select this part and use the mirror command. The mirror line is the center line. Is the center line. Okay, and you can see erase source objects. Yes or no? No. We want to get both of them. Both of them. So now you can see we get the red part at once. So now we can delete the point. And then the final step is to draw the parallel curve, the spline. The first one is from the right corner, the left corner, and we'll cancel the restrict. Oh, no, I think there is there are a line that we have lost. We have lost. I will repeat. Okay, delete it. Okay, now we have this small segment. These two small segment. We have to keep it. So we can connect. So strict. I'll use the trim to delete the part that we don't want. Okay. And I think we have to. We can. Okay. Okay. Now you can see the the position is on the cross point of the line and the vertical line, the oblique line and the vertical line. So now what you should do is to change the wells. Okay, now you get it. You get it. It is the fourth strip of your homework. I think when this class finished, you can repeat it. Okay, the final one I don't want to do that because due to the time limits we have to start a new one new knowledge about the dimension. So I will leave I will give it to you. I will give it to you. So please draw these three and the final part of the homework.
Is
Yes.
it still by hand or we can use computer?
I think uh, the the homework by hand is must. And if you can draw, if you have interest, you can draw it by AutoCAD. AutoCAD by hand is you must give me a handwriting of your homework. And if you are interested, you can use you can draw it with AutoCAD. Because I think not everyone have the AutoCAD, so it's hard. Maybe it's hard for someone to draw this with computer because some classmates said to me uh, their computers is broken. So they can only use the phone attending the class. So it's not good. It's not very good. But it's I think it's hard for me to give you a new computer. If you can come into China, if you can come to China, there are uh, there are there are classrooms especially for the AutoCAD. So you can sit here and I can slide the computer for you. But now you are not in China, so it's hard for me to do that. So it depends on you. It depends on you. But I think most of you can find a pen and you can find a pencil and A3 paper and a ruler. So the handwriting is must. Handwriting is necessary. Is necessary. Okay, so we have I've used so many time to teach you how to draw the homework, and I think the rest part of this, the rest time of this class, uh, is to show you how to use the dimension, how to use the dimension and the test, the annotation. Okay, I might start.